Ah, hello. How are you? Are you real? I'm David Gwynne-Evans and I'm CEO of CASABIO.org, the home of biodiversity. Now, we're all around conservation and in particular creating the link between ourselves and nature. Now, how do we do that? Well, one of the ways is through Project Bety, creating the biological etymologies and making them available to the public. Etymologies being the Latin or Greek origins for scientific names, so plant and animal names. Now, we've got a really nifty way of doing this on CASABIO.org, so let me take you through that process. First of all, go to CASABIO.org, and there you can go down and see we've done 45,000 etymologies already. That's pretty impressive. We can go to the project itself by going to Explore, Projects, and Project Bety. Now, you might want to create a shortcut to that by dragging to the taskbar, and then it'll be at your fingertips whenever you want to. Now, I'm going to do more of them, and I'm going to show only the ones that don't have etymologies, because this is about how to contribute the etymologies. Now I'm going to look for a term that I think we can know. Let's start with canna. Now we can go to archives.nd.edu, which is William Whitaker's words, and canna means grey, white, aged, old, wise, hoary, foamy, white-capped. That's enough. So we can also look up on Dictionary of Botanical Epithets, so middle click on that, and this is a really useful resource as well, and we'll see it means greyed due to hairs. Ooh, I like that, grey or ash colored. So let's go back to here, and now we click on edit, and that will bring up this, which means there are 14 taxa which we will be adding the name to. So from the Latin, because William Whitaker's word is around Latin, canus, and we put that in italics, which equals grey, aged, and we put all these in or white, and I'm going to put there frequently due to the hairs after a semicolon. Now I'm putting in the English meanings because that will potentially in the future allow us to search for those and also to create a structure. We can replace the word equals with meaning if we like, and obviously Latin, if it were a Greek origin, we'd put Greek there. Now when we scroll down and click save, it'll save that meaning to all those species. And I want to show you one more trick, and that is when we know a meaning of something, if we put in can, it'll give us other options like canus, canum, for instance, and anything else related to it. And so it's a way of taking advantage of the knowledge that we've just gleaned. I've given you a few tools now and the way to do it, and I'll put more online. But just to show you, when you go back to CASABIO.org and scroll down, you'll see that number has now increased to 45,200 etymologies. A nice little jump there. And I'd like to encourage you to take part and to contribute what you can. If you wish to get hold of me, contact me just like that on capebio@gmail.com. Thanks so much.